So I'm going to click on that one. We're going to send that off to Docusign. Now, once that's refreshed, I'm just going to refresh the screen.
So FileBound can actually integrate directly with Docusign to allow us to send those documents right out to whoever they need to go to based on this metadata that we've captured, and then have those electronically signed agreements come right back into the system.
That's right.
What you're going to show us now.
Yep, exactly. So I'm going to click on this little signature spot over here, and we'll see here it's actually telling me as the user in FileBound that there's one recipient on the Docusign form. There could be multiple. In this case, there's one, and it's waiting on one signature, right? So now I'll come out into this little website here, which is my pretend inbox, and I'll click on my email, and I've received this email from Docusign saying, hey, you've got a document to review. So I'll click on the review document link. Now I'm playing the role of Bob Gable, the external party. I agree that I like electronic signatures, and here's my contract. So after reviewing the contract, happy to sign. I'll come in and enter my name and adopt and sign. So that goes and applies the signature. I can then click on finish, and then that's complete. Now if I come back into my mail, I'll see I have a second email now saying that contract is completed. Yep.
Bob Gable's got a copy of his signed contract.
Yep. And now if I come back into the web viewer and I refresh it, FileBound will actually show me that it's been completed in Docusign. It hasn't come back yet. This is on a timed period. So it'll take a few more minutes and then the signed contract will come back in. In order to expedite that, what I've done is prepared one for you earlier.
Wow.
So I've got this Bayside Club here. I actually processed this through yesterday, and we can see here that it's come back. If I click on the signatures here, we'll see that it's actually imported. It's returned back to the contract manager in workflow, just like I showed in the workflow diagram previous, and I've got my option here to finalize the contract. As we can see, I've got the yellow stamp up here saying that it's a demonstration document only that was applied by Docusign. Down the bottom is the signature. So completely automated, where from workflow, I've sent it out to Docusign, a third party signed it, and then it's been picked up and brought back in, completely automated, and moved on to the next step, where I would then, as the contract manager, finalize that contract, which in this case will lock the document so it can't be edited. And then it goes into the review cycle for it to be picked up in whatever the period is, 9 months, 11 months, 2 years, in order for it to be reviewed, and then the decision be made regarding processing or renewing that contract.